So prove that limit of tan x upon x as x tending to 0 is equal to 1 year. Therefore, limit of tan x divided by x here as x tending to 0 is equal to, you know that trigonometric formula tan is sin divided by cos here. This denominator, write x as it is here. Tan is sin x divided by cos a. Sorry. Tan is sin by cos here. Take this cos to denominator. Limit of x tending to 0. Sin x divided by x into cos of x here. Take this cos to denominator, can write like this here. Then using algebra of limit here. Using algebra of limit, we can write here limit of sin x divided by x here. Again, limit 1 divided by cos x as x tending to 0. Using algebra of limit here. Next, you already proved here limit of sin x upon x as x tending to 0 is 1 year. This is a theorem here into, and here direct put x equal to 0. 1 divided by cos of 0, and you know cos 0 is 1 year. So 1 divided by 1 it becomes 1 year. Therefore, tan x upon x as x tending to 0 is also 1 year. Okay, remember it here. Yes, sir. Limit of sin x divided by x as x tending to 0 is equal to 1 is equal to limit of tan x divided by x as x tending to 0. Similarly, if it is a reciprocal here, even that case also, even in that case also, the value is 1 here. Limit of x divided by sin x is equal to 1 here. That is equal to limit of x divided by tan of x here as x tending to 0. Even in this case also, its value is 1 because just observe here. Sin x upon here, x upon sin x means you can write 1 upon sin x divided by x here. Take x to denominator, can write like this here. Then taking a limit here. If you take a limit here, limit as x tending to 0, 1 upon sin x divided by x here. Therefore, this is equal to 1 upon limit of sin x divided by x as x tending to 0 using algebra of limit here. Therefore, limit of this value is 1 here. 1 upon 1 it equals 1 here. Therefore, limit of x upon sin x as x tending to 0 is also 1. Limit of x upon tan x as x tending to 0 also 1 here. So prove that limit of 1 minus cos x upon x as x tending to 0 is 0. Take your solution. Limit as x tending to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x here. Then the limit of x tending to 0. So rationalize here, multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos x here. So 1 minus of cos x divided by x into 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos of x here. Multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos x. Therefore, this is equal to limit of x tending to 0. 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x is 1 minus cos square x here divided by x into 1 divided by 1 plus cos x here. Okay. So product of this numerator is 1 minus cos square denominator x keep as it is, this denominator 1 plus cos x also keep as it is here. And you know 1 minus cos square is a sin square here. Limit of x tending to 0, therefore sin square x here divided by x into 1 upon 1 plus cos x here. Numerator sin square is there, denominator only x. Therefore multiply x and dividing by x here. Multiplying and dividing by x. Therefore this is equal to limit as x tending to 0 sin square x divided by x square into x divided by 1 plus cos x here. Multiplying and dividing by x here. Again using the algebra of limit here. Limit of this term can be written as a limit of sin x divided by x as x tending to 0. It's a square here into limit as x tending to 0, then x divided by 1 plus cos x here. That is complete here. You are using the algebra of a limit here. And you know limit of this becomes 1 here. Therefore this gives 1. This is square here. And here put x equal to 0. So 0 divided by 1 plus cos of 0. And you know 0 into any term is 0. Yes, the answer is 0 only. Therefore value of this limit is 0. So this is one method here. So there is one more method. There is a formula in trigonometry here, or limit of 1 minus cos x divided by x as x tending to 0 is equal to limit as x tending to 0. In the trigonometry there is a formula. 1 minus cos x is 2 into sin square x by 2 divided by x here. 2 sin square x upon 2 by x. Here numerator sin square x upon 2, denominator x here. Therefore multiply x upon 2 and dividing by x by 4, not x by 2, x by 4 and multiplying x by 4 dividing by x by 4 here. Multiplying and dividing x by 4 here. Therefore this is equal to limit as x tending to 0, then 2 into sin square x upon 2 divided by x into x by 4 becomes x square by 4 into x divided by 4, multiplying and dividing by x by 4. So this becomes x square by 4. Then 2 also, this 2 2's get cancels here. Again is algebra of limit here. Limit as x tending to 0 here. Sin of x upon 2 divided by x upon 2, it's a square into limit of x divided by 2 as x tending to 0. Okay, limit of sin square x by 2 by x square by 4 is this here, and the limit of x upon 2 as x tending to 0. Again here this becomes 1 here. Okay, whatever the term in the numerator, that should be in the denominator only. In that case it becomes 1 here. If this term is different and this term is different, you can't write 1 here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಏನಿದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ x upon 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಿತ x upon 2 ಬರುವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ x by 4 ಮಾಡೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then it becomes 1. Okay, therefore this equal to 1 square into direct put x value 0 here, so 0 divided by 2 here, so again it value is 0. So this is one more method here. Okay, you can use this method or that method here. Here this step is important here. Multiplying and dividing by x by 4. In multiply ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾಕೆ ವಿಷಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x upon 2 ಬರಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ x by 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ x square by 4 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು sin x by 2 upon x by 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So this is ಎಷ್ಟು 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin square x by 2 ಆಯ್ತಾ. Then this term square ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square by 4. Okay, therefore for this reason we are multiplying and dividing it by x by 4. Evaluate limit of sin 4x upon sin 2x as x tending to 0. So take care of solution. Limit of sin 4x divided by sin of 2x here as x tending to 0. So here you know the formula sin x upon x as x tending to 0 is 1 here. Whatever the term here, that should be the denominator. Therefore, in this case, sin 4x is there in the numerator. Write it as x tending to 0. Sin 4x can be written as sin of 4x divided by 4x into 4x here. And the sin 2x is there. Sin 2x divided by 2x into 2x. Multiplying 4x dividing by 4x here. Here multiply 2x and dividing by 2x. Then this x cancels here. 2 1s are 2 2s are cancels here. Therefore this is equal to 2 constant here. So write outside here into limit of sin of 4x divided by 4x as x tending to 0. Write in the numerator here, and in the denominator limit as x tending to 0 sin of 2x divided by 2x here. Limit of this one divided by limit of this one here. Therefore same terms are there, 4x here, 2x 2x. Therefore limit of this becomes 1 here. 2 into 1 upon limit of this also 1. Therefore the answer is 2. Here also the same procedure here. Therefore limit of sin ax divided by sin of bx as x tending to 0. In the previous example, you are multiplying 4x and dividing by 4x, multiplying 2x and dividing by 2x here. So like that limit as x tending to 0. Here multiplying dividing by ax in the numerator. Sin of ax divided by ax into ax here. Here multiplying and dividing by bx in the denominator. Hence sin of bx divided by bx into bx here. Then this x and this x cancels here. A upon b constants here, right outside. A divided by b keep outside here. Therefore limit of sin of ax divided by ax as x tending to 0 numerator here, and in the denominator limit x tending to 0 sin of bx divided by bx here. Therefore this is equal to a upon b here into limit of this becomes 1, limit of this also 1 here. Therefore the answer is a divided by b. So limit of sin ax upon bx as x tending to 0 is. Take care solution. Limit as x tending to 0 Sine of ax divided by bx here. Numerator ax is there, sin ax, denominator bx is there, means these two are different here. That's why multiplying and dividing by a. Therefore, this is equal to limit of as x tending to 0. Sine of ax divided by ax into a upon b, like this. Okay, multiply a and dividing by a, and that this will be here. A upon b is a constant here. A upon b constant here. Therefore, limit of sin ax divided by ax as x tending to 0. Therefore, a upon b into limit of this becomes 1 here. Therefore, the answer is a divided by b. Okay.